MacBook Pro A2141. Problem of this MacBook is no power. When we connect DC power supply, it's convert 5 volt into 20 volt, but ampere is taken only 11063 0.127 something. When we power switch, unable to power on, it's dead case. Let's open and check what is the issue. This is a USB-C model. Let's open the board. There is shorting in this SSD IC. SSD IC short. This is a bald IC, bald grade array IC, BGA IC. We replace this IC. IC number is TPS 62180. See, this is IC. This is BGA IC, and we replace this IC. Very tiny IC, very small IC. We replace this IC in motherboard. Now we assemble the board. We on the DC power supply. DC power supply taken an amp. It's convert now 5 to 20. Before it's convert also 5 to 20, but not powered on. It's 100 and 120, and now 200, 300, 500. Apple logo and fans pin. This MacBook is repaired now. Thank you.